peculiar thing to be, somewhere between calmness and ecstasy. Oh, I'm happy with the mountains surrounding me, a quiet breeze in the air and trees as far as I can see. I wanted to stay there long, where nothing could go wrong, but I could feel my feet carried me.
Okay mga kaibags, akit tayo ngayon dito sa pinagbanderahan. Charis. Dito pinagbanderahan ano. Ano lang. Ano tayo? Ikot.
Used to be happy, as hard as that may seem. Nothing could weigh me down.
Kayang-kaya ko.
Used to be happy,
Ito oh.
calm and carefree.
Nagbanderahan oh.
Now I feel pressure. I wanted to stay there long.
Pwede ano?
Wanted to stay there.
Kaya ko yan. Nandito lang po tayo mga
I could
kaibags.
feel my feet carry me
Oh.
away from where I'm happy.
Ano, ready na sila oh.
No,
Ingat mga sir. Alright, so there we go. Ito na sila namin nagbandera. So dito lang muna tayo.
just worried a little less.
Oh,
Cleaned up the mess.
ganda. Ito nga lang, tatapunan ng mga balat.
Started dashing left. So much that I miss. I get stuck like that. I wanted to stay